Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to patients on feedback submission of your lab center. So let's take an example that you are a diagnostic center or a lab center owner. For the improvement and growth of your business, you collect the feedback from your patients. Now you want to send a WhatsApp message to the patients on submission of the feedback form. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of your patients from the Google Forms, compose a message in WhatsApp and send it to the patients. But this will be a time-consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes difficult when you have large number of patients in a single day. So how you are going to send the WhatsApp messages on daily basis? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a patient fills the Google form, automatically a message will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the patient. But here there is a problem that there is no direct connection between Google Forms and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Google Forms with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. Here we are using Google Forms to collect the form responses. So in place of Google Forms, you can use any other form building software application like JotForms, Pabbly Form Builder, etc. So let us check this in the real time. So this is the feedback form which I have created using Google Forms. The form name is Satyam Diagnostic Center Feedback Form, where I have asked for the full name, mobile number and few questions related to the feedback form. And this is the WhatsApp number of the customer. So now I want that whenever any of the patient or the customer fills this particular feedback form, automatically a message should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here. So I'll just fill this form. Let us give the full name as Mr. Adam Smith. Let us give his mobile number. Okay, and I'll just answer to some of the questions. Yes. Recommend the service to others. Yes. Easy and convenient. Yes. Feedback. Okay. And I'll just click on submit. So here we can see your response has been recorded. Now let us check the WhatsApp number of this customer. And here we can see a message. Hey Adam Smith, thank you for filling out the feedback form. We hope to see you soon. Thanks. Regards, Satyam Diagnostic Center. So here you might be wondering that I just filled this form and automatically a message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer for stating thank you for filling out the feedback form. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. So I'm going to show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Google Forms to Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect will offer us a webhook URL. Using that webhook URL, we are going to create an integration between Google Forms and Pabbly Connect. Step 2. Collect the data from Google Forms in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Google Forms. Step 3. Send the same data to 360 Dialog for sending messages on WhatsApp. So whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Google Forms, the same data will be used and a WhatsApp message will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we are using 360 Dialog software application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Google Forms and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have a free account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. Here I have given the workflow name as send WhatsApp message to patients on feedback submission. So here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement also and then click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a patient fills the feedback form, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here in the trigger window, we are going to select the application name as Google Forms. In the trigger event, let us select new response in spreadsheet. Now here we can see a webhook URL. Let us read the instructions. Google Form responses are collected in Google Sheets. So switch to Responses tab and click on Create Spreadsheet icon. Okay. So let us move to the Google Form which we have created to collect the feedback responses. So this is the Google Form, Satyam Diagnostic Center feedback form. This is the test form which I have created in Google Forms where I have asked for the full name, mobile number of the customer along with few questions for the feedback form. So first we have to fill this particular form. So I'll just come to this preview icon, click on this. And from here we are going to fill this particular feedback form. I'll just give the full name as Shikha Arya. I'll give the mobile number. Here example is also given, +91 is required. So I'll just enter +91, the country code along with the WhatsApp number. Here we have to fill the WhatsApp number of the customer. Are you aware of the home collection services and online report service? Yes. Would you recommend service to others? Yes. Let us just fill this form. Was the registration process easy and convenient? Yes. Overall feedback for the diagnostic center? Yes. How satisfied you are with the service? Okay, I'll just give 4 and let us submit this form. Okay, the response has been recorded. Now let us move to the form. Here we can see in the responses tab 1 is mentioned. So I'll just open this. Here we can see one response, Shikha Arya, her mobile number and the details that we have put in the form is captured over here. Now here we have to click on this 3 dots. And here we can find select response destination option. Click on this. Here it is asking for create a new spreadsheet or you have to select the existing spreadsheet. So I want to create a new spreadsheet. I'll simply click on this option and I'll click on create. Here we can see linking to the spreadsheet and spreadsheet is linked. Now we have to click on this green sign, view responses in sheets. Now here we can see that the data is captured into the Google Sheet. Here we can see the timestamp, full name of the customer, the mobile number and even all the details that the customer has filled in the form. It is captured over here. Now we want to link this spreadsheet to Pabbly Connect. For this we have to go to this extension options, click on this and click on add-ons and click on get add-ons. Now it has taken us to Google Workspace Marketplace. Here we have to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Now you have to install Pabbly Connect Webhooks on your system. As you can see, it has already been installed on my system. I'll simply close this window. But make sure after installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks on your system, you have to refresh your Google Sheet. I repeat, after installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks on your system, you have to refresh your Google Sheet. Now again you have to go to extensions and this time come to Pabbly Connect Webhooks and click on initial setup. Now here it is asking for the webhook URL and trigger column. So it is asking for the same webhook URL which we have seen in Pabbly Connect. So just go to Pabbly Connect. We will copy this webhook URL from here. We will go back to the Google Sheet and we are going to paste the webhook URL over here. Now it is asking for the trigger column. So here you can see I have the data in column A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, I'll close this window and let us see. I have the data till which column? Till column H. Okay, it is the last column I guess. Yes. So I have the data till column H. Now I want the data to be captured till column H. So I'll be selecting column H in the trigger column. So say if you have the data till column E and you want the data to be captured till column E, so you have to select the trigger column as column E over here. So I'll again come to the extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, initial setup. And here again we have to paste the same webhook URL and in the trigger column I will be giving the column as column H. And now let us click on send test. Test data sent successfully. Okay, now let us check the Pabbly Connect, whether Pabbly Connect has captured any data or not. So here we can see the responses received and the details that we have filled in the form, that is the full name, mobile number, and all the details are captured over here. So let's go back to Google Sheet and let us click on Submit. Okay. Now again we have to go to Extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and this time come to Send on Event option. Just click on Send on Event. So why we are selecting this option? Because next time whenever this particular sheet is going to capture the response through Google Forms, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data. Okay, we don't have to link the data again and again. So make sure in Pabbly Connect Webhooks you have a tick mark on Send on Event option. Okay, now let us move back to Pabbly Connect. So as we have seen that the data is captured over here, we want to send a WhatsApp message to this particular customer on this WhatsApp number. So scroll down, come to this action window, and here we have to select the application name as 360 Dialog. In the action event, let us select Send Template Message. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 Dialog account, log into your 360 Dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on Generate API key button. Okay, so just go to 360 Dialog account. So this is the dashboard of 360 Dialog account. I have added the link of 360 Dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 Dialog application and get 360 Dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here, come to WhatsApp accounts, and here we can find Generate API key option. Simply click on this, generate the API key, copy that API key, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Now once the API key is generated, we don't have to generate the API key again and again. The same API key can be used for various different connections and workflows. In my case also, I have already generated the API key, so I'm not going to generate it again. Now the domain is required. Let us read the instructions. Enter the domain here, which you will get while generating the API key. An example is also given. So we are going to simply copy this example from here and we are going to paste the example over here. Now whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. So in your case, if you get some other domain, please paste that domain over here. After pasting API key and domain, simply click on Save. As I have already created a connection, I'll choose this option, that is Select Existing Connection, and I'll click on Save. And now 360 Dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select a template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So as we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template. We have to get it approved from Facebook. And once the template is approved, then only the same template can be used for sending the messages on WhatsApp. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. So I'll just take you to 360 Dialog account once again. And here we can find Manage Templates option. Click on this. Here you can see I have created several templates and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, come to this plus sign and click on Add Template. From here you can give your template name. From here you can select the template category. Various categories are available, so you can select it as per your requirement. From here you can select the language of your choice. From here you can select the template type. Here you can give the template body text, that is the message that you want to send on the WhatsApp number. Then click on Preview and Submit. Then it will be going for the approval. And once it is approved, you can use this particular template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So I'll just close this template and I'll open the one which I have already created and got it approved. So I have created a test template, that is hotel_feedback. I'll open this. So here, hey, one is there. Thank you for filling out the feedback form. We hope to see you soon. Thanks, regards, number 2. So here I have given 2 parameters. So these are the body fields and the values of these body fields are going to change every time. So here I want the name of the customer. So let's say the customer name is Mr. Sanjay. So here we want Sanjay name to be reflected, and here we want to give our diagnostic center name. So the diagnostic center name is Satyam Diagnostic center. So in this way, this message will be going on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So we are going to select this template, that is hotel underscore feedback in Pabbly Connect. So let us select the template over here, that is hotel underscore feedback. Now here we can see the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. Now recipient mobile number. So here we have to give the recipient mobile number. The recipient will be the customer who is going to receive the WhatsApp message. So we have already got the customer details from the Google Forms here. So we are going to map this WhatsApp number now. Okay. So let us scroll down and let us map the WhatsApp number from Google Forms, and the WhatsApp number is this. Here we have to give the WhatsApp number of the customer, or else the messages will not get delivered on the mobile number. Okay. Here an important instruction is also mentioned. Enter the recipient mobile number with country code. So as we can see, the country code is already there inside this particular number. If the country code is missing, you have to paste the country code in front of the number. Okay, as we are in India, we have already added +91 to this number. So you have to add your country code in front of this mobile number. Okay. Now body field 1, example Pankaj Pandey, that's the name of a person. Here in the template also, here in the template we require the name of the patient. So let us map the patient name from Google Forms, and the patient name was Shikha Arya. And here body field 2, example the Grand Hotel. So here in the template we want Satyam Diagnostic Center. So we are going to give the same name in body field 2 over here. Okay. Now let us click on save and send test request. Now here we can see the responses received. So let us check whether the customer or the patient has received any WhatsApp message or not. So here we can see a new message. Hey Shikha Arya, thank you for filling out the feedback form. We hope to see you soon. Thanks, regards, Satyam Diagnostic Center. Okay, so a message is sent on the WhatsApp number of this particular patient named Shikha Arya. Okay, so in this way we can see that our integration is working fine and the values of the body fields are correctly displayed in this particular message. So I'll just go back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, so now we have to check this in the real time. For that, again we have to go to the form and we have to create one more feedback form on the name of some other patient. So let us fill this form. I'll give the full name as Avi Gupta. That is the patient. Here we have to give the WhatsApp number again. So I'll just add +91 and then I'll give the WhatsApp number of the customer. Okay, and let us just answer these questions. Yes. Recommend the service to others. Yes. Registration process convenient. Yes. Overall feedback. No. Okay, and satisfied with the service, 5 marks. Okay, and I'll just click on submit. Response has been recorded. Now let us check the Google Sheet. And here we can see the data that we have filled in the form. Name Avi Gupta, his mobile number, and all the details are captured over here. Now let us check the WhatsApp number of this customer. And here we can see a new message. Hey Avi Gupta, thank you for filling out the feedback form. We hope to see you soon. Thanks, regards, Satyam Diagnostic Center. Okay, so the same message is sent on the WhatsApp number of this customer also, that is named Mr. Avi Gupta. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine and the correct messages are going on the WhatsApp number of the customers, those who have filled the feedback form. So let us move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever a patient or the customer fills the Google form, automatically a message should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer stating that he has filled the form and thank you for the response. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between Google Forms and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.